Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a small saucepan, turn on the heat, about medium, low to low medium. Get about half a cup or so of balsamic vinegar. So we just leave this in here. We want this to just cook and reduce so it thickens. Cut up some watermelon into whatever shapes you like. Get some olive oil and just sprinkle it across over them. Just let it sit there. Now while your balsamic vinegar is reducing and thickening, get a skillet or a grill like this and turn your stove on and heat it. We want this to be hot. Put your watermelon in. Oh yeah, that's what you want. Yum. Get a plate, or whatever you're going to serve on, and get some, I use rocket, like wild rocket lettuce as a bed. Not to sleep on, although that probably would be quite comfortable if you had enough of it. And get some goat's cheese, crumble it up a little bit if you wish. Now get the balsamic vinegar, that should now be quite thick like that, and just drizzle a little bit over the top, and there you are, done. So yummy, so awesome.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.